Welcome back to the Prolaborate Getting Started series. In Episode 1, we covered the basics of getting started with Prolaborate. Now, in Episode 2, we'll explore best practices for collaboration. Prolaborate provides a unified platform for seamless teamwork. With real-time notifications and collaborative modeling, your team can stay in sync effortlessly. Dive into your projects with ease and experience true synergy across your team. Prolaborate offers various notification options such as in-app, push, and email notifications. You are notified via email and other notification options if someone adds a comment, tags you, or replies to your discussion. This ensures you're always up to date with the latest activities. Users who are keen on model information, such as diagrams, elements, and packages, can utilize collaboration at the model level. For example, if you're working on a diagram, you can click on any object to start a discussion. Discussions can include textual comments, tagging users, linking resources, and setting priorities. This discussion is tagged to the object, all of which enhance collaboration. Prolaborate allows users to collaborate on data presented on dashboards and widgets. Users can add discussions to reports, roadmaps, charts, and other insights added to a dashboard. Each widget can have its dedicated discussion space, making it easy to collaborate on and refine different aspects of your project in a centralized location. In Prolaborate, comments are not just textual information, but linked to users and artifacts. High-priority comments are highlighted to ensure nothing is overlooked. Users can also like comments, similar to social media interactions, making feedback more interactive and valuable. We aim to refine the user experience, making it simpler and more intuitive. Share your insights instantly and effortlessly invite new members. Grant appropriate access to keep everyone informed and involved. You can share diagrams using a public or private URL, or invite users via email. This feature ensures the right people can access and act on the shared content promptly. Model review and incremental changes play a vital role in getting the model to a mature state and staying relevant to the changes. Prolaborate's review features facilitate comprehensive analysis and commentary on your models. Collect input from your team, address concerns, and refine your work through a structured and intuitive review process. To conduct a review, you can set a definitive start and end date and select elements, diagrams, or packages for review. The search feature in Prolaborate makes it easy to find and select items. You can invite users or groups and even include external reviewers by providing their email addresses. Prolaborate provides both a moderator's and a reviewer's dashboard. Moderators can track progress and review statistics, while reviewers can see their tasks, deadlines, and options to comment or mark as reviewed. Prolaborate's review feature supports real-time interaction between reviewers and modelers, facilitating efficient collaboration and feedback. Additional features include inviting others to participate in the review process by entering their email addresses and streamlining collaboration. That wraps up our overview of best practices for collaboration in Prolaborate. Join us next time as we explore more advanced features and tips to help you maximize your Prolaborate journey. Until then, happy collaborating.